Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your new focus mode on iPhone. Today in front of me is an Apple iPhone 12 and with the iOS 17.4. So, as you might know, Apple gives us an option to set up your focus modes as you would wish. So to do this, you want to go to the settings and then go to the focus. And also, if you have another iPhone, it is going to work pretty much the same. All is going to be the same. So to set up a new focus mode, you want to click the plus icon in the top right corner while you are in the focus. And then, as you can see, you can add some options. So what Apple gives us: the driving, fitness, gaming, mindfulness, personal, reading, sleep, or work, or even custom. So let's say I wanna create the focus mode for work, for example. And as you can see, when you're working on a project or to-do list, get things done by silencing notification or customizing your screens and apps. So customize focus. And here you can do whatever you want to. So in the people section, you can add some people to allow notifications from the specific people or silence notifications from specific people. In most cases, I think you're going to choose the allow notifications from. And if you want to add people to, you just click the plus and select the one you want to. So let's say I want to add Andres, maybe Hard Reset, and also I'm going to add Rita and maybe Tony. So after all, click done. And then you can click next. As you can see, the screen choose cast to allow is going to come up. You can allow everybody, favorites, contacts only, or allowed people only. If you added people, I think you can choose allowed people only in here, this section. So click done. Then you can go to the apps and choose apps to allow. So you can choose apps to allow notifications from or silence notifications from different apps. So let's say I want to silence notifications from, and then I'm going to add some applications. So in my case, this is going to be FaceTime, Gmail, also mail, also messages, and phone. I don't want to get notifications from those apps. After all, I want to click done. And as you can see, these are going to be silenced. These apps are going to be silenced if I choose silence notifications from. So as you can see, I have choose phone, messages, and FaceTime, but I have also choose those people. So even if I have those applications right here in this section to silence notifications from these apps, I'm going to receive calls from Andres, Hard Reset, Rita, and Tony because I have put to allow those notifications from those contacts. Also in the options, you can show on lock screen the silence notifications. You can turn this on. You can hide notification badges. Badges are, this is the badge, as you can see. So you can turn it on or turned off. You can also choose when you want to silence notifications, if the phone is locked or always. I do prefer to set it to always. And also you can, on the appearance, you can dim lock screen. So it means when the focus is on, the lock screen is going to be a little bit darker. So let me put it on. Also, you can customize your screens. So it means that you can customize your lock screen or your main screen. It means when you are going to turn the work focus on, the lock screen is going to look a little bit different. You can create a new lock screen. So let's say I want to create a new, and I'm going to select this one. So I'm going to select only the lock screen and customize home screen. So let's say I want to add maybe a color. So it's going to be, let's say, orange, and a gradient. Or maybe gradient, orange gradient, yeah, that's okay. And click done. And now, as you can see, I don't know why this is not okay, it is refreshing. You can also create a new page. So these are going to be the pages that Apple gives us as an example with the specific apps you want to have on your home screen. So you can select the apps that you're going to just use when you're working. So for example, you don't want to have Instagram or other apps that are distracting you from your home screen, or you can choose from your pages. So let's say I want to maybe look for this one, and as you can see, you can edit apps. So you can add, for example, you can, I don't know, let's say I want to deselect shortcuts and add maybe, let's say, maps. And after all, I just click done. So now, as you can see, this is going to be my new home screen when I turn the work focus on. After clicking add, as you can see, this is going to be my lock screen in this, and this is going to be my home screen. You can turn on the smart activation also. So if you turn on, it is going to turn work focus on at the relevant times through the day based on signals like your location and app usage and more. But also you can set up a schedule, and schedule is going to be time, location, or app. So when you open some app, this is going to come up. When you are, for example, at work, even you set your location, work location, this is going to turn on when you arrive to your work, and also you can set the time. So to add the location, you just need to search or enter the address and set it. And if you are going to be in the specific location, you are going to have the work focus on. App, as you can see, you can add the app. When you open it, this is going to come up. And the time, as you can see, you can set to even 1 day or 2 days, or specific days that you want to, and from time to time. If you want to turn it on, for example, on Monday from, let's say, 9 to maybe 8 to 12, you click done. And also you can, for example, on the Tuesday, select the hours differently. So let's say from 1st p.m. to, for example, let's say 3rd p.m. as you can see. So now this is going to turn on these times, and also we can add a location, as I said before. So let's say I want to add at maybe Straconki 89, and this location in Bielsko-Biała. So let's say I want to add this location. So when I'm going to be at this location, the work focus is going to turn on. Also, you can add focus filters. So this is customization, how your apps and device behave when the work focus is on. So you can select calendar, mail, music, messages, Safari, dark mode, or low power mode. You can put those on with the work focus. So let's say we are going to customize mail, and as you can see, you can add it to add differently. But also you can delete this filter also. So after all, you just go back, and now as you can see, the work focus is also here. And now if you swipe down the control center and click on the focus, you can set it to work. And as you can see, the home page is going to look differently, and also the lock screen is going to look I don't know why this is okay. So something bugged and I cannot see the lock screen, but okay, you know, something happens sometimes. And now if I turn on the do not disturb mode, this is going to look a little bit different. Also, there's an option that you can turn on the focus mode on. If you click these three dots, you can turn on for an hour until this evening, until I leave this location. So let's say I wanna turn on this for an hour, and now this mode is going to be on for an hour, as you can see. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can set up a new focus, how you can turn it on or turn it off on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.